Good evening, everybody, and welcome to Streaks Unish Kuri Glam Hunt 2008. We'd like to thank Padatik for choreographing the sequence that you just saw, and Sandy for the costumes. I admit the girls were wearing very little, but then that's also part of the design. As for Streaks Unish Kuri Glam Hunt 2008, they got me. My name is Mir. So ladies and gentlemen, we're all going to have a very good time, and if your hands are not too busy holding on to your purses or to your partners, you could at times applaud. Could we have a sample, please, for all the contestants out there? Streaks Unish Kuri Glam Hunt 2008 would like to thank each and every one of you for taking out so much of your time, and we hope you have a wonderful time this evening with us. It gives me great pleasure to introduce our 4 judges. First judge is a lady, popularly known as Agni. Shortly after her graduation, Agni, who aspired to be a doctor, launched her own fashion label, Inga. She's an MBA from Jadavpur University, topped off with a diploma in fashion design, and she also debuted in 2007 at the Lakme Fashion Week with her collection, Stitch Story, The Katha Tale. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our first judge, Ognimitra Paul. Moving on to our next judge, who's born and brought up in Bangladesh, je karone onar onek talent ekhono Dhaka, Prakash Paini. He started his career as an ad filmmaker, came to Kolkata 10 years ago, and since then he's had 3 Hatke films under his belt. We sort of coaxed him to get those films out of his belt and get them printed as well. The 3 Hatke films under his belt are Kranti, Neel Raja Deshe, and the most recent one, Love. He's also made a record of sorts by shooting an ad film with 26 cameramans, with an equal number of cameramen as well. Okay. Please welcome Arnab Bandyopadhyay, better known as the one and only Ringo. Our next judge is a prolific singer from our state, has sung for blockbusters such as Devdas, Tere Naam, Parinita, Raincoat, and many, many more. He's also lent his voice to an innumerable number of Bengali films. Most recently, he sung for the hit film Bor Ashbe Ekhuni. He's also had 2 Hindi music albums to his credit. Please welcome the oh so talented Raghav Chattopadhyay. Our 4th judge, well, she's beautiful. And Raghav and Ringo have already tasted her beauty. Tasted is in quotes, in quotes. Okay, Raghav has a little more probably to his share. She is a face that has launched many brands. I'm not sure of the brands, that's why I use the term many. But actually, she's launched 1,000 brands. And she's also acted in movies, Mr. White, Mr. Black, with Sunil Shetty and Arshad Varsi, and of course, the popular Popcorn Khao, Mast Ho Jao. For all married men, men committed, devoted, kindly control yourselves when you see her on stage. She requests everybody not to rush her, but yet her name is Rashmi Nigam. Please welcome Rashmi Nigam. So ladies and gentlemen, could we have a great round of applause for our 4 judges who take the ramp and subsequently their seats. Thank you very much. Gentlemen, we have some great moments out here, but we've already had some great moments off stage, and Streaks Unishkuri Glam Hunt 2008 has seen 10 finalists really working hard, slogging it out, dieting and doing all sorts of crazy things just to be here. We salute them, and we have a very special audiovisual presentation to let you know more about our 10 finalists. Ladies and gentlemen, we're all set for our first round, which is the intro round, where you get to know our 10 finalists up close and personal. Before we begin this round, a quick line from each judge, because 10 finalists, some of them for the first time in front of such a huge audience, and of course you celebrity judges. Raghav, কিছু যদি বলার থাকে এই 10 জন ফাইনালিস্টকে শুরু করতে চলেছি আমরা. All the best. And Ognimitra, on the mic.
I'm very excited, and I think they are equally excited. Wish them all the best.
Thank you. Ringo.
I think they are already there where they should be, and it's just a question. It's a good competition. It doesn't matter who wins or loses. The spirit is important. So, all the best.
I think they've organized for the spirit as well. I don't see a bar inside. Yeah, Rashmi.
We already saw the pictures. I think they're all really pretty, and it's going to be really tough for us. So, best of luck to everybody.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're all set for our first round, the introduction round, where you get to know our 10 contestants up close and personal. The excitement is killing me. That was great. आपने सोचा? शर्मिला दी, from the Socha Hai series, I shall ask you a question. খুব simple. এখানে যদিও কোনো contestant কে কোনো প্রশ্ন করা হবে না. We are not judging their IQ. We are only looking at their looks and their books. Okay? Their books as in later on when we go in for the good books and the bad books and all that. Yeah, शर्मिला दी. आपके लिए सवाल जिसके लिए कोई भी पैसा नहीं मिलेगा. এমন কোন প্রাণী আছে পৃথিবীতে যেটা আকাশে ওড়ে কিন্তু বাচ্চা দেয়? এমন কোন প্রাণী আছে পৃথিবীতে? Name a living organism. I shall translate. I am your subtitle guy. Name a living organism in this world that exists, that flies in the skies, yet gives babies and not eggs. It's as simple as that.
মির এটা আমি বলতে পারলাম না, তুমি আমার যদি বলবে।
আমি শর্মিলাদির হয়ে উত্তরটা দিয়ে দিচ্ছি। উত্তর এয়ার হোস্টেস। You see, they fly in the skies and they give babies. Not while on duty. That's a separate process altogether. এবার এমন একটা শো যেটা দেখে আপনার মুখ হা হয়ে যাবে। হা as in Horizon Aviation Academy. HAA, ha. 105 years after the successful effort of the Wright brothers, who were never wrong. To score the sky, aviation today is the most attractive way of travel, provided your plane is not hijacked. India's reputed aviation institute, Horizon Aviation Academy, takes this opportunity today to host a unique fashion show depicting how integral glamour, style, and fashion is to this industry. The show is a blend of modern India, UK style, colors of Ghana, serenity of Indonesia, and some plastic designs from Newmarket. Festive season, bhai. You must admit everything. So, ladies and gentlemen, presenting a unique fashion show from the house of Horizon Aviation Academy.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Indian Airlines and Captain Das Gupta, we welcome you on board our flight IC408. We are about to take off for Calcutta. Will you kindly fasten your seat belts, keep your seats upright, and refrain from smoking while the no smoking sign is switched on. We hope you enjoy your flight. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, time for some musical entertainment. Our star performer is all the way from Mumbai, a person who started his learning under the legendary singer-composer Ghulam Ali Khan Sahab. He started his professional career in 1999 with music director Viju Shah. He sang with a host of music directors starting from Jatin Lalit, Shankar Ehsaan Loy, Anu Malik, Vishal Shekhar, A.R. Rahman, and many, many more. From live stage shows to jingles, remixes, this man has done it all. His recent hits include Jashn-e-Bahara from Jodha Akbar, Ek Din Teri Raahon Mein from Naqab, and also part of the hit song Nagara Nagara from Jab We Met. Please welcome the one and only Javed Ali.
कहने को जश्न बहारा है, इश्क ये देख के हैरान है, कहने को जश्न बहारा है, इश्क ये देख के हैरा है। फूल से खुशबू खफा खफा है गुलशन में, छुपा है कोई रंज फिजा की चिलमन में। सारे सहमे नजारे हैं, सोए सोए वक्त के धारे हैं, और दिल में कोई कोई सी बातें हैं। ओ कहने को जश्न बहारा है, इश्क ये देख के हैरा है। फूल से खुशबू खफा खफा है गुलशन में, छुपा है कोई रंज फिजा की चिलमन में।
Come on, everybody. Music clap.
मेरा सोना सजन घर आया है, मेरा सोना सजन घर आया है। तुसी रल मिल दे मुबार गाँव, मेरा सोना सजन घर आया है, मेरा सोना सजन घर आया है। तुसी रल मिल दे मेरा सोना सजन घर आया है, मेरा सोना
Gentlemen, and those were designs labeled Marg by designer Shoumitro. Thank you judges. I know you're doing a wonderful job, and the contestants are having a wonderful time. The audience is also having a wonderful time. Apnara seat panni? Dekhecho? Oshobho. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we move on to the second performance by our star performer, Javed Ali.
जरा सी दिल में दे जगह तो, जरा सा अपना ले बना, जरा सा ख्वाबों में सजा तो, जरा सा यादों में बसा। मैं चाहूँ तुझको मेरी जा बेपना, फिदा हो तुझ पे मेरी जा बेपना। वो जरा सा अपना ले बना, जरा सा ख्वाबों में सजा दो, जरा सा यादों में बसा। ये जहां मेरा इश्क दीवानगी, बंदगी, मैं चाहूँ तुझको मेरी जान बेपना, फिदा हो तुझ पे मेरी जान बेपना। Sing!
Come on, babe, why don't we paint the town? And all that jazz, I'm gonna rouge my knees and roll my stockings down. And all that jazz, start the car, I know a whoopee spot where the gin is cold but the piano's hot. It's just a noisy hall where there's a nightly brawl. And all that jazz,
Skip to
and all that jazz, whoopee, and all that jazz. Your hair and wear your buckle shoes, and all that jazz. I hear that Father Dip is gonna blow the blues, and all that jazz. Hold on, hun, we're gonna bunny hug. I bought some aspirin down at United Drug in case you shake up hard and want a brand new start to do that. We're playing fast and loose, and all that jazz. Right up here is where I store the juice, and all that jazz. Come on, babe, we're gonna brush the sky. I bet you lucky Lenny never flew so high, 'cause in the stratosphere, how could he lend a ear to all that jazz? Shimmy, shake, and all that jazz. Oh, she's gonna shimmy till her gutters break, and all that jazz. Sure, where the Parker Gurnal. Oh, her mother's little curdle. If she hear her baby squeal, for all that jazz. That jazz. Come on, babe, why don't we paint the town? And all that jazz. I'm gonna rouge my knees and roll my stockings down. And all that jazz. Start the car, I know a whoopee spot where the gin is cold but the piano's hot. It's just a noisy hall where there's a nightly brawl, and all that.
The dirty bum, 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 bum. The dirty bum, 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 bum. They had it come.
That was the evening wear round, brought to you by Kyra and Burlington's. Jewelry designed by Sakshi, and we'd especially like to thank the team of Komal Sood and Ratul Sood. Could we have a great round of applause for Kyra and Burlington's? Komal and Ratul Sood. They send their best wishes with their designs. Now, as the judges are busy calculating, tabulating, I have something very important to tell you. The next round, what we are about to see on our screens is part of a sub-contest. We have several sub-contests, of which the results are with me right now. Team console, just give it to them on the screen. Give it to them. Play it. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to call our contestants back on stage. Could we have our 10 finalists back on stage? But no, not in the swimwear, in normal poshak. Can I go? And now I shall show you how a 5 feet 6.5 inch man can look completely diminished on stage. Please welcome the lady who's responsible for grooming these already beautiful ladies, the one and only, the very talented Shonal Rawat. I have the results with me. The swimwear round was one of the sub-contests, and through this round, we have the results of Mr. and Miss Glam Bod. To give away the prizes for Mr. Glam Bod and Miss Glam Bod, I'd like to call upon stage the very, very glam bod, Rashmi, Nigam and Ringo. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. and Miss Glam Bod, the winners get an annual membership from Gold's Gym so that they can keep working out the bodies that they've already been working on. Mr. Glam Bod, okay, we have joint winners here. Mr. Glam Bod is, or rather are, Shubho and Afsar. Number 4 is Shubho and number 6 is Afsar. So that's Shubho and this is Afsar. And now for Miss Glam Bod. And it's contestant number 1, Srija. Now I think Ringo should put the sash on. Moving on to Mr. and Miss Glam Face. And to award the winners, I'd like to call upon Ognimitra Paul and Sharmila Singh Flora, beauty expert and director of Flora's Cosmetics. Mr. Glam Face, contestant number 2, Pratap. Miss Glam Face is contestant number 3, Tilottama. And now for a very special prize. It's Horizon Mr. Best Groomed and Horizon Miss Best Groomed from obviously the Horizon Aviation Academy. We would like to call upon Acharya Satyanand, Director, Horizon Aviation Academy, accompanied by Captain Shatabdi Chatterjee. Horizon Mr. and Miss Best Groomed. The best groomed amongst the gentlemen. Contestant number 6, Afsar. And Horizon Miss Best Groomed is contestant number 5, Roja. Horizon Mr. and Miss Best Groomed. Both of you win yourselves a 4-month cabin crew course. A 4-month cabin crew course from Horizon Aviation Academy. Could we have a great round of applause for Horizon? Thank you so much. I'd like to once again thank our sponsors of Streaks Unishkuri Glam Hunt 2008, our title sponsor, Streaks, our co-sponsor, Horizon Aviation Academy, knowledge partner IIAS, makeover partner Sharmila Singh Flora, grooming venue partner Flotel, gym partner Gold's Gym, F&B partner Inthalia, Guwahati hospitality partner Kiran Shri Portico, footwear partner Mums, style partners Kyra Burlingtons, marked by Showmitro, Shopper Stop, swimwear partner FM Designers, jewelry by Sakshi, gift partners BSL, Cotton Blue, Irony, Elegant Tars, event partners Venom, radio partners Friends FM and Red FM, TV partner Akash Bangla. And now for the gifts. 2 days and 1 night free stay for the Glam King and Queen at Kiran Shri Portico in Guwahati. Glam King and Queen will each get a stay in a 5-star hotel in Goa for 3 days and 2 nights for 2 people, courtesy Elegant Tours. All the 8 other finalists get a 3 nights, 2-day stay at Gangtok for 2 people, again courtesy Elegant Tours. The Glam King and Queen get a sofa set each from Irony, which I promise to go and sit on in case you want company. And all the other contestants get gifts from BSL Linen, and I promise you there'll be plenty, so you would want to share them with someone. You get the hint. You also get certificates, full scholarship for 6 months for Glam King and Queen retail course with IIAS, our knowledge partner. And of course, Horizon, Mr. Best Groomed and Miss Best Groomed have already got themselves a 4 months course. It's a cabin crew course. Ladies and gentlemen, before we announce the 2 names, I'd like to call upon Ms. Poulomi Sengupta, editor of Unish Kudi, Career and Anandamela on stage. I was looking for you, and then I found you. Thank you, Poulomi. Ms. Savita Chabra, Vice Chairman, Hygienic Research Institute Private Limited. She has been awarded the Outstanding Woman Entrepreneur of the Year by the Prime Minister of India. And this is one of the most prestigious honors instituted by the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, Government of India. Under her inspirational leadership, Hygienic Research Institute continues to strive for excellence in the field of hair care and hairstyle. Thank you very much, ma'am, for being here with us this evening. I'd also like to call on stage last year's Streaks Unish Kudi Glam King, Shashank Arora. Rashmi, this is specially for you. This is what we manufactured last year. And this year, the 2 names who will be Glam King and Queen, Streaks Unish Kudi Glam Hunt 2008. Glam King 2008, Rudro Ganguly. Streaks Unish Kudi Glam Hunt 2008, Glam King Rudro Ganguly, contestant number 10. And to join you, Rudro, Glam Queen 2008 is Roja Paramitade. Thank you very much and have a very good rest of the evening. Good night.
Mapa